Welcome, today in front of me BLACKVIEW BV6600E, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Feeds on this device. So now when we swipe with the finger to the right side, we can see that the Google Discover is activated, and if you want to turn off this feature, you should hold for a while your device screen, and after that tap here on the home settings. Just now to turn off the Google Discover, we should click here once on this switcher to show Google near the Show Google app. And now, as we can see, what we just swipe with our finger here to the left or to the right side, the Google Discover is turned off. And if you wanna just turn back this feature, just go here to the home settings again and click here to show Google app switcher. And now we can see that the Google Discover successfully activated again. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.